Dichloromethane Lewis dot structure. Here carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron multiplied by 2 as we have 2 hydrogen atom. Chlorine has 7 valence electron multiplied by 2 as we have 2 chlorine atom. 4 plus 2 plus 4 in 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms. So let me connect. For connecting two atoms, you have to use two dots. So for connecting, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron out of 20. Now we'll use other valence electron to satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So we have to count here. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have used all the valence electron, 20 valence electron. Now count for octet. Octet, octet, now duet, duet, duet. At last count for octet of central atom. Okay, so this is the Lewis dot structure of dichloromethane. You can replace this bonding pair by a line. This is the structural formula or another way of writing Lewis dot structure of dichloromethane.